Hello, and welcome to Continuous Improvement, the podcast where we explore strategies and approaches to help you enhance the performance of your software. I'm your host, Victor, and in today's episode, we will dive into the world of performance testing and discuss the best practices that can help you achieve optimal results. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Music transition. Performance testing plays a vital role in ensuring that your application performs flawlessly under various workloads and conditions. By evaluating its speed, responsiveness, stability, and scalability, you can meet user expectations and gain a competitive edge in the software development landscape. Our first best practice is early integration of performance testing. By identifying performance bottlenecks and issues in the early stages of development, you can proactively design and code your application to meet performance requirements, saving time and resources down the road. Moving on to our second tip, define clear performance goals. Establish key performance indicators, KPIs, that align with your application's purpose. These KPIs could include response time, throughput, resource utilization, and user load. By establishing measurable goals, your testing efforts will be focused and meaningful. Our third recommendation is to create a realistic test environment. To accurately predict real-world performance, ensure that your test environment closely mirrors your production environment in terms of hardware, software, network configurations, and databases. Load testing is another essential practice in performance testing. By simulating various user loads and gradually increasing the load until reaching the desired threshold, load testing helps identify performance bottlenecks and assess the system's capacity to handle different levels of load. Stress testing pushes the system beyond its normal operating conditions to determine its breaking point. By subjecting your application to sudden spikes in user load, resource exhaustion, or unfavorable scenarios, stress testing helps identify failure points and potential risks. Scalability testing is our next best practice. It assesses how well your application can handle increased load by adding more resources. Evaluating both horizontal scalability, adding more servers, and vertical scalability, increasing server resources, is crucial, especially for applications expected to grow over time. Performance profiling and monitoring are essential tools in performance testing. Utilize performance profiling tools to identify bottlenecks in your code, and continuously monitor system metrics such as resource utilization, database performance, and network latency. This real-time monitoring helps identify issues and optimize the application accordingly. Automate your performance testing to achieve consistency and efficiency. Automation tools can simulate user interactions, generate various load scenarios, and analyze results. By saving time and ensuring repeatability and accuracy, automation is a crucial aspect of effective performance testing. Our next recommendation is test data management. By using realistic and diverse test data that mimics real-world scenarios, you ensure that your performance tests are representative of actual usage patterns. This approach uncovers hidden issues related to data processing and storage. Lastly, we encourage you to embrace continuous performance testing. Make it a part of your continuous integration/continuous delivery (C/CD) pipeline. By implementing continuous performance testing, you can detect performance regressions early and ensure that improvements made in the code base do not negatively impact performance. In conclusion, performance can make or break user satisfaction and application success. By integrating performance testing early, defining clear goals, creating a realistic test environment, and utilizing a comprehensive testing approach, you can identify issues, optimize performance, and provide users with a seamless experience. That wraps up today's episode of Continuous Improvement. I hope you found these best practices in performance testing helpful and that they will lead you to achieve optimal results in your software development journey. Remember, investing in performance testing today can have significant benefits in terms of user retention, customer loyalty, and overall business success. Thank you for listening to Continuous Improvement. Stay tuned for more episodes where we explore strategies and approaches to help you enhance the performance of your software. Until next time, this is Victor signing off. Outro music fades out.